Look at that solid pin in there. That big solid pin like that. Yeah, buddy, man. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Man, this is look at the way that's made. Look at that milling. That is much better. All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna take 6 of them, and we're gonna go over to the car. All right. We'll be right back. All right, guys. We got our 6. Now the way they set, you see our lifter sets right there with a ball on top. So your rocker has a little part that sticks out right here, and under it, it's like an insert for that ball. And the hole, that's oil passage. Oil shoots through there and lubricate the system. So you just put it on just like that, and